Today we're going to do an unboxing of the Erin Condren Ever After Wedding Checklist. This thing is super cute. It's really lightweight and it is very portable, easy to take around to remind you of things or just something to add in addition to buying a larger wedding planner or some wedding stickers or other wedding related items or accessories you have in your shop. So I think this is always a great idea either for a minimalist bride or just somebody who is like, he hasn't proposed yet, but I think he's going to. I don't want to go crazy, but let me just get a checklist to check things out. So let's take a look at this today. Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Pretty Fabulous, and I help online businesses create beautiful digital downloads using Adobe InDesign. So if this sounds like you or something you might be interested in, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I post new videos every Monday and Thursday, and I do unboxings on Saturday. Now, today we're looking at the Erin Condren Ever After Wedding Checklist. It is only, I believe, $16.99, either on Amazon Prime or from Erin Condren directly. I always buy everything from Erin Condren directly just because I want the points, but you may not be like that. You may or be like, I don't really need the points, so that's kind of silly. So anyways, let's go ahead and look and see what's inside of here. All right, so it comes in this plastic wrap and it is one of their petite collections. And I just love this idea of having something super simple like a checklist for someone who's having like maybe a minimal wedding. So inside of here, we have gold foil on top, and we have gold foil in the front cover and on the front page, which makes you feel like you bought a nice luxury checklist. So we have a couple quotes over here and a blank page, more quotes, and then top 10 wedding secrets, your wedding colors, and 14 to 9 months before, and then pretty simple, like not a really big list of things to do, and then 8 to 6 months, 6 to 4, and then we have 4 to 2, and 1 month before, and then the week of the wedding, and then the wedding party. We have writing your vows, we have the guest list, so kind of standard of what you'd see in other big, huge books. You have your budget checklist, picture this, your music list, your flowers, which flowers are in season, that's always useful, sweets for the suite, cakes, serving sizes, and then we have cheers and drinks, and the wedding menu. So now we get into the vendor contact list, which is really nice that it's right here in the very center of the book, so you can open right away to see who do you need to call. Seating arrangements, you have your gift log, and then, so at this point, I think they've already assumed the wedding has happened, and the second half is just going to be the stress-free bride-to-be, wedding day timelines. Oh, I guess it doesn't assume, I guess just that one part with the gift logs. Oh, I wonder if this is gift log of who, no, it's who you got gifts from. So I guess it could be your bridal shower or your engagement party. Thank you notes, and she actually stated here exactly how to write thank you notes, so that's useful. And then I believe we just have blank pages. And of course we have stickers, which are very cute. Now these are very different from their wedding sticker pack, which I reviewed in another review. I'll leave a link to that below. Got a little pocket folder, and that's the end. So what did you think? I love this. I think it's a great idea, just like I said in the intro, because I just couldn't help myself. I think it is really great, not only as a standalone item, but as an additional item, an upsell item, and also just for someone who's thinking about weddings or thinking about being a wedding planner or anything else. I think this is a really great idea. Plus, it's pretty, it's cute, it's compact. I can't say enough wonderful things about it. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And don't forget, if you would like to create your own wedding planner, I actually made one for you. So I will be unveiling that on Monday, March 30th. I will be launching the brand new wedding planner template. So make sure to watch live because I have special bonuses just for that day. All right. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day, and I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye.